Hi, Damien Coleman here with another quick tip. Do you know the easiest way to replace and relearn disc brake pads on a Mercedes? Select Service Resets and Relearns. Select Replace Disc Brake Pads. Check for TSBs first. Great, the tool has already checked for you and there's no relevant OEM recalls, TSBs or campaigns. If you have a Zeus with the latest software, link to repair information right from the tool. Here we have the electronic parking brake procedures and instructions on how to replace the brake pads. Take a look at these step-by-step instructions. Back on the scanner screen, select brake pad changing mode. Follow the instructions and replace the brake pads. Once completed, it's time to calibrate. Select parking brake calibration. Follow the on-screen guidance. The reset is now complete. Now isn't that quicker than what you might be doing today?